This is home remedy for those who are having severe cough. You need to get your organic honey and then you get lime juice. The last thing is palm oil. It should be organic. So what you have to do is that the quantities of these three items should be the same. For example, let's say if you take half disposable cup of lime juice, then you must take half disposable cup of palm oil and that of organic honey. So you mix all together. This is how the dosage goes. You give 3 tablespoons to an adult, 1 or 2 tablespoons to a child or a kid, and the person will be free.